Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Yesterday was a little bit of a downside day. We could not hold that 607 and we went down. NetFlow was mainly bearish throughout the day, although we did have a tail of calls here throughout the day that just refused to give up. We also finished with a red DEX, first one since the other day. We finished with one. We went red, green, red, just ranging right now. So you can see we went up, up, up during this time where we had consistent green DEX, but now we're sort of flip-flopping around. We'll need to see what happens with our next bar. Divs, a lot of positive divs rolling through there at the end of the day, so maybe we see a little bit of an upside move. Everything's, not everything. There's some things that are up to flat this morning, but nothing too crazy. Customer sentiment, once again, they took a little bit of profit on Friday, and then they went back into buy the dip mode yesterday. Just insane. It's still in that area. When it starts to get this much in a row, I start to pull back a little bit and see what happens next a little bit more, become a little bit more cautious when these bars have been green for so long. Dark pools, 608.1, huge amount of prints. Make sure you mark it on your charts. And our largest ag, it looks like, has moved up to 606.44. That's kind of crazy right there, unless I think maybe the other lower one. Yep, see, it just lost a little bit of its level right there. So now we're sitting up here. Remember what I said? This is subjective, but last time we saw a bar way down here that stayed forever and price never went to it. They walked it up, and then they hammered price down. Not saying that's going to happen again this time, but it did happen the past few times. Jumping into our gamma. Pretty simple. The 607, 608, 609 area will be very important on the ag. Biggest pull is still at 610. We do have room all the way down to 601 because there's really nothing here in the way. Of course, sorry about that. Of course, if we do break 609 and we have room up on the ag, then, well, 620 is in the cards. But let's check today and see what that looks like. Today, 1210, and see what we have in store for there. So 1210, not too much different. That 607, 608, 609 range has a repel right there. If we can't break it, then we just kind of keep coming back down. There's room all the way down to 600 with this as well. If we do break this, we break this 610 with some force and a very bullish net flow, then we could see up to these, but it would not shock me to see us come up against, beat our head against this, and then come on back down again and range a little bit today. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.